Welcome to the Exadata DBA Simulator, a risk-free, AI-powered lab for learning Oracle Exadata. Let's take a guided tour. We start on the dashboard. It gives a live view of cluster health, the 2 database nodes, 3 storage cells, flash cache hit ratio, total I/O per second, and recent alerts. Everything you'd check at the start of a shift. The practice terminal is where you learn by doing. It simulates 5 real interfaces: CellCLI, SQL, ASMCMD, SRVCTL, and DCLI. Click any command to run it. Here, list cell returns realistic output, while the Learn panel on the right explains its purpose, key concepts, and common pitfalls. And because you've added your OpenAI key, you can press Explain this output. The AI reads the exact result and the live cluster state, then tells you what it means and what to do next. Guided labs turn theory into practice with real-world scenarios. A first-day health check, diagnosing SMART scan, a 3 a.m. disk failure, and taming workloads with IORM, each broken into steps with checkpoints. The Architecture Explorer is an animated step-by-step tour. We begin with the compute layer, 2 database nodes running Oracle RAC. They execute SQL but hold no data themselves. Next, the storage cells. Each is a full server running CellRV, the engine behind all I/O and SmartScan. The nodes and cells talk over a 100 gigabit InfiniBand fabric using RDMA. Watch the data stream across the backbone. This is SmartScan, Exadata's superpower. The cells filter rows and columns before sending data up, so a 1 terabyte scan can return just a few gigabytes. Inside every cell, NVMe flash cache keeps hot blocks in flash, cutting read latency from milliseconds to microseconds. Below flash sit the grid disks, which ASM stripes and mirrors into disk groups like Data and Rico. When several databases share the cells, IORM enforces I/O priorities right at the storage level, protecting your critical workloads. Finally, Clusterware ties it all together, managing membership, failover, and every resource in the stack. On any component, you can ask the AI to explain it with a vivid, beginner-friendly analogy. The Fault Lab lets you break things safely. 6 production faults are ready to inject, from disk failures to InfiniBand degradation. Inject 1, and the whole simulator reacts. Alerts fire, the cluster flips to degraded, and you diagnose it in the terminal, then heal it. The AI coach is your expert tutor. It knows the live cluster state and is ready for any question or interview prep. Ask it anything, like explain SmartScan in simple terms, and you get a clear senior-level answer in seconds. That's the Exadata DBA Simulator. Practice, break, diagnose, and understand with an AI mentor at your side.